Making money online without spending a dime up front? Yep, it's possible. I'll break it down in just a couple of minutes. First up, freelancing. Writing, graphic design, coding, voiceover work. Sign up on Upwork. Sign up on Fiverr. No fees to join. Set up your profile and start pitching. You pick your own hours and projects. Next, online surveys and user testing. Swagbucks user testing to Luna. Get paid for opinions, test apps and websites. It won't make you a millionaire, but it's a simple way to earn extra cash during your downtime. Love writing or teaching? Create content on Medium. Create videos on YouTube. Even if you're just starting out with your phone. Offer tutoring on Preply. Offer tutoring on Cambly. All you need is stable internet and willingness to help. What about selling stuff you already own? Facebook Marketplace, eBay. Depop, clear out your closet and make money at the same time. No investment, no hassle. Bonus. Become a virtual assistant. Data entry, scheduling, social media, help find gigs on remote.co, find gigs on Belay. Always check reviews and never pay to join. Scammers are everywhere. Do a quick Google search before committing, have a few hours or a few minutes. These options help you start earning without opening your wallet. Start small, stay consistent. Maybe you'll find your next big side hustle. If this helped, hit like and tell me in the comments which tip you'll try first. Visit my profile to get simple tips to make money online fast.